Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we're going to do a quick vehicle walk-around tour of this 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a white exterior. It's got a beige and black interior. It's got power memory seats, heated seats, as well as the premium Burmester sound system upgraded speakers throughout the vehicle. Driver's seat with lumbar support, sunroof. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage is currently at 58,662. We have a push button ignition. And here is our display, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Now below your display we have our climate controls here. You also have buttons to access some of those functions I was just walking through. Below that we have cup holders, cigarette lighter and ashtray. And then we have our center console command module here. Here's where you can adjust between different sport plus, individual, comfort, or eco. This will affect transmission and gear shifting as well as handling and whatnot. We also have your command controls here. So you've got a touchpad to make adjustments. You've also got the dial. You can push down on either to make selections. Okay. Go ahead and hop out, show you a little bit more of this vehicle. And we have our rear seats here. Another look at the sunroof. This wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle, and again those Burmester speakers. A quick peek back up front. And coming around the rear of the vehicle, we have our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk. Got some new all-weather mats back here, lots of storage space, and at the push of a button you can easily fold up your rear seats in case you need a little extra storage. And push button to close. Now, if you're interested in learning more about this 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC, just reach out to us on our website. Happy to answer any questions you may have or set up a test drive. You can reach us at feldmannimports.com.